Tonight, an update to a story we first brought you last night. State lawmakers are looking to cap interest rates on loans made by the pawnbroker industry.
WAND's Doug Wolfe reports a local pawnbroker says capping those loans could put him out of business.
Decatur Jewelry and Pawn is a long-established business in this city. A business owner, Perry Lewin, worries could be in trouble if lawmakers in Springfield cap interest rates on the loans they make.
It would virtually put me out of business almost immediately and every other pawn shop in Illinois.
Democratic lawmakers from Chicago are looking to cap rates on pawn loans at 36% a year. But considering most loans are very small and are paid off in a month, the pawn industry in the state would only be earning 3% a month and would be underwater on most loans they make.
There's 222 pawn shops, over 1,000 employees, and this one-size-fits-all rate cap will put all of the pawn shops out of business within a year.
Lewin tells me a large number of people need pawnbroker loans because they simply can't obtain money anyplace else.
Right now, there's 20% of Americans either don't have a bank account or don't have a FICO score, and they depend on pawn shops throughout the country, but mostly in Illinois, to meet their short-term financial needs, which is a 30-day period here in Illinois.
And if people don't want to pay the loan back, it does not hurt your credit rating since the pawnbroker has the item you pawned.
If you just walk away from your item, you just basically sold your item to us.
The pawn industry is trying to work with lawmakers before they take up the rate issue during a lame duck session in January. In Decatur,
we just want to have a dialogue and an open conversation.
Doug Wolfe, WAND News.
In 2020, the Illinois pawn industry loaned consumers more than $160 million in collateralized funding.